Bonjour à tous! Welcome to French IB Hub. Today, we're diving into one of the foundational elements of French grammar, les pronoms sujets or subject pronouns. These are essential for constructing sentences and expressing yourself clearly in French. Let's get started. 2. Explanation of subject pronouns. Subject pronouns replace nouns and indicate who is performing the action in a sentence. For example, instead of saying Marie parle français, we can say elle parle français. 3. Pronunciation practice. Interactive segment. Repeat after me to practice pronunciation. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, elles, elle. Great job! Remember, il and il are pronounced the same, but context will help you distinguish them. 4. Usage examples. Let's see these pronouns in action. Je suis étudiant. I am a student. Tu aimes le chocolat. You like chocolate. Il joue au football. He plays soccer. Elle lit un livre. She is reading a book. On va à l'école. We are going to school. Nous allons au cinéma. We are going to the cinema. Vous parlez anglais. You speak English. Ils étudient le français. They are studying French. Elles dansent bien. They, feminine, dance well. 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Be careful not to confuse tu and vous. Tu is informal and singular, used with friends and family. Vous is formal or plural. Also, remember that il is used for a group of males or a mixed gender group, while elle is exclusively for a group of females. 6. Practice quiz. Interactive quiz. Let's test your understanding. Fill in the blanks with the correct subject pronoun. 1. Suis professeur. 2. Est mon ami. 3. Est médecin. 4. Sommes en classe. 5. Est étudiant. 6. Parle espagnol. Pause the video if you need more time. 7. Oral practice. Now it's your turn. Describe yourself using a subject pronoun and a verb. For example, je suis étudiant ou je suis étudiante. Try creating sentences for each pronoun to reinforce your learning. 8. Conclusion. Excellent work today. Mastering subject pronouns is a crucial step in your French journey. In our next lesson, we'll explore the verbs être and avoir in the present tense. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated. À bientôt!